Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing domain, hosting, and SSL so payments and pages load fast. Once done, install WordPress and harden the admin account with a strong password and two-factor. Next, add WooCommerce now rather than later so product structure drives setup decisions. Make sure to select a theme designed for stores. This early alignment saves rework and keeps checkout, product pages, and shipping settings consistent as you add inventory and payment gateways. You now focus on the detailed plumbing. Configure currency, taxes, and shipping zones so checkout calculations are correct. These affect prices and customer expectations. Then integrate payment gateways and test with sandbox transactions so refunds and webhooks behave predictably. Once payments work, add products with SKUs, attributes, and clear categories. Explain variants and inventory levels. Also optimize product images and meta to improve load speed and discoverability, because slow pages lose customers and hurt SEO. You finish by running full test orders and verifying transactional emails, receipts, and fulfillment steps so real customers get the right experience. Once confident, enable automated backups, caching, image compression, and monitoring to keep speed and data safe. If something breaks, first clear caches and try a different browser. Then disable recent plugins to find conflicts and enable WordPress debug logs to capture errors. Make sure payment webhooks and SSL renewals are active so the store stays live and trustworthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.